Yeah, go.
Hi, Brooklyn. This is Brooklyn after she eats. Look, she's asleep. She's so chubby.
Chubby.
Yeah, she is. Look at her leg. It's chubby leg.
She got bigger.
Twice. Mom says it's twice of her size.
Yeah.
Look at her tum tum. Big. Big tum tum. She's like, yay! You're videoing me. This is how she reacts when she sees someone. Or she hears someone.
Say hi.
Hi! You see her stomach is breathing more? Because she's excited, I think. Brooklyn, how are you?